Hello, this is the Ambience Estate located right here in Lekki Phase 5, right behind the Lagos Business School. This estate, as you can see, is so lovely and it's already sold out. But today we are launching the Phase 3 of this same estate, the replica of what you are seeing right here. So come with me and see what we have in here. Wow. You can see the estate is so lovely, so clean, well laid out, so planned, as you can see. So this is exactly what you're going to be seeing at the Phase 3 of this estate. So I'll keep you posted. Now, okay, so this is the Ambience Phase 3. As I showed you the Phase 1 that is already sold out, so today we are launching the Ambience Phase 3. Look at the environment. This estate is located right behind the Lagos Business School off Abraham Adesanya, Ajiwe, Lagos. We are going to be having 2-bedroom duplexes here selling for 70 million naira. We'll have 3-bedroom plus BQ selling for 80 million naira, and we also have the 3-bedroom semi-detached plus BQ selling for 90 million naira, and the fully detached 4-bedroom duplex selling for 110 million naira. The title of this estate is C of O. We got our building approval. There's no fear of demolition tomorrow. It's an estate within an estate. Security is top notch here. In this estate, you're going to be enjoying amazing facilities like uninterrupted electricity supply, treated water supply here, world-class recreational centers, your kids area, well-paved roads, solar powered street light, and so much more. This estate is surrounded by a lot of notable landmarks like the Reddington School, the Novari Shoprite Mall, the Blanco Mall, the Pepperoni restaurant, all within the radius less than 10 minutes to this estate. So, and you know, with the rate of inflation in the country, the best time to buy any property is at the pre-launch price. Grab this offer right now while it's still selling at the pre-launch price before it gets sold out. I can tell you, if you don't connect, you will not collect. So grab it now, give me that call. I'll be right here to attend to you.